hiccups, yo.
I'm trying to sip it so I can get rid of. Oh, rid of them.
She started by making all kinds of funny noises. And then just, I don't know, she just started hiccuping.
I thought maybe if I smoked a cigarette, they'd go away.
How'd you get the hiccups to begin with?
I don't know. I think they're gone now, though.
You say that every time.
I really do. They don't come for a while, and I think they're gone. Ha.
Just wait.
They won't come back.
I hope they do. Someone I know, gets.
They're all done.
Someone I know gets hiccups by laughing too much.
I really think they're gone. Because,
Why? I'm just waiting. Alright.
I think one
Hiccups cured.
way-